it's Demo Donna here with Queen and Company, and I am really excited to be bringing you a fun fall card using the Frankie and Friends Shaker Kit. Perfect to get a head start on all of your fall and autumn cards. This is the Stacked Pumpkin Shaker card with all of the fun shaker bits. And I even added a little Happy Autumn using the word number 2 die set. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Using the Frankie and Friends kit, I'm going to be making a really fun card. So I am using the Frankie and Friends paper included, this really fun paper pad. I use the orange for my pumpkins. And then I'm also bringing in some of the Happy Harvest. I really love this leaf background right here. So I'm using that as the background of my paper. So that is the Happy Harvest paper pad. Definitely get your hands on that for the upcoming fall season. So to get started, I have the basic foundation of my A2 card. So that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I am taking from foundation die number 11, this really fun shape, and I cut these out of the Happy Harvest, and those are some beautiful light blue leaves. So I thought that would look really nice as a skyish color background to offset our pumpkins. So I did cut 2 of them out, and I'm gonna layer them. And when I lay my pumpkins down, you are not gonna see that they're 2 separate pieces. So I'm gonna start with the bottom piece. I'm gonna center that. Now that I've got adhesive on the back here, I'm gonna do the same, make sure they're even and adhere that. So now I've got the base of my card. So next what I'm gonna do is create our stacked pumpkin shaker. So I'm gonna start with I did use the outline die of the pumpkins, and I'm gonna start with that, toss in my double-sided adhesive foam, and I'm popping out all these pieces. This top one could be a great little pumpkin all on its own. So don't toss that little guy. He's really fun. And when you cut out your actual decorative die, this center piece here has a cute teeny little pumpkin that you can use for stacking. So keep that in mind. Sometimes you get a little bonus die in your dies. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill in our sections. The Frankie and Friends kit comes with 7 fun toppings. I absolutely love the cute little squares, and they have a nice sparkle to them. And these toppings coordinate perfectly with your Frankie and Friends paper pad. I'm gonna take the orange, and I'm gonna do a little bit of the yellow as well. And then I'm going to add some orange diamonds. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of clear diamonds. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and peel off that protective backing, and I'm adding my acetate right over my pumpkins there. Okay, now that it is filled, I am gonna go ahead and take my sheer glue. Sorry, upside down. I'm gonna now take my sheer glue, and I'm gonna do a very light glue line around my pumpkins. Okay, replace your lid. Now add your decorative die right over the top there. There you go, and you've got your cute little stacked pumpkins. Now with this one, I'm also gonna be layering some non-shaker stacks in the background. So all you need to do with that is cut out your outline die and your decorative die. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add a thin layer of my sheer glue around my decorative die. And this just adds a cute little stitched effect and a little extra detail to your die. So you could just use this, but when you add on that little extra detail, it really brings that die to life. So now we're gonna go ahead and place our stacked pumpkins on our background here. And I'm gonna do a little bit of red liner tape on my shaker just to make sure it stays in place. So I'm just gonna take a strip right down the back, peel off the protective backing paper, and I'm gonna also add just a little bit of sheer glue. And that is gonna go right, whoop. We're not gonna put that guy on yet. We're gonna put these guys on first. It happens sometimes, right? Okay, so we are gonna add these guys right about there. Little shelf for my pumpkins to sit on. Now we're gonna take our shaker and layer that right there on top. And because I've got the wet glue as well as the red liner tape, I don't have to worry about my pumpkin stacks going anywhere. So next what I'm gonna do is I have taken, here is a sample piece here, the double-sided adhesive foam from your foam and acetate refill, and I stuck a piece of the brown paper. You can use this beautiful brown polka dot paper from your Happy Harvest collection. And that is how I cut out my little pumpkin tops with just a little bit of, it raises it up just a little bit. Plus now my adhesive is already on it. And now look at how quick and simple that was for my pumpkin tops. Next, what we're gonna do is we are gonna add some fall leaves. And these leaves match perfectly with my background. And these are from, these great little dies here, are from your shrink dies. So these are available in our shrink set. All of these fun dies. And the great thing about these, they come in sets of 2, so you can cut out a whole bunch of them. And what I'm gonna do to create my leaves is I am simply going to take 2 leaves together. I am going to use my fingernail tool to kind of fold up the ends of the paper so they're not perfectly straight. Just like this. And then I'm gonna take my adhesive and I'm just gonna layer them together. And then I am just going to go around my whole base of my card. Okay, now that we have finished with our fallen leaves, which I think look really pretty and add to that fall look, we are just gonna add a little bit of bling. So I added some petite posies. Okay, and now you have a very fun, very simple, yet a lot of bling shaker card just in time to welcome the fall season. Using the Frankie and Friends amazing shaker kit and a little addition of some petite posies and the Happy Harvest and foundation die number 11. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.